you a car camper, a car dweller, van camper, van dweller, any of the above and beyond? Have you wanted to put up LED light strips on your, what is this called, roof liner? I believe I have found the perfect solution for getting those LED light strips to stay up. Join me and I will show you how I did it. What I have here is 3M VHB tape. That is right. This is what I was initially going to use before I tried to get smart and use Gorilla carpet tape. Didn't work. This is 1/2 inch clear 3M VHB. I will link everything in the description below. And that is what I used to stick up my light strips. Now, it is very cold at the time of me putting this up. I did warm up my car when I did the initial install. And after that, about a couple hours later, it just went cold in the evening. It was freezing. And it has been winter time ever since. So what I have here is a LED light strip. It is an RGBW, which has a pure white option. And I've learned, almost become a LED light strip expert. I learned that having the RGBW, the white, has pure white in it. So I purchased these from BTF-LIGHTING, and I took off the crappy backing, the 3M that they say they bring these with, and then I applied my 3M VHB true to the back of the light strip and stuck it up, and it has worked beautifully. So what I'm going to do is back here in this corner, I'm going to finish it out, and then afterwards we're going to have a little light show, because this does have a music mode. There's a little microphone. I'm assuming maybe in the IR sensor, because it comes with a remote as well. You can adjust the sensitivity of the microphone. So we'll give that a try, kind of funsies. But I wanted good lighting in my vehicle and decided to go this route. And so far, I am pleasantly pleased and just wanted to share it with anybody else who is looking to put up LED light strips. Oh, before I forget, these are just indoor light strips. If you want indoor, such as like a kitchen or bathroom, you would need an IP65 rating. If you want strictly outdoor, total waterproof, then you want IP67. So these are just straight indoor. I do have some wind guards on, some WeatherTech wind guards on, so that should prevent any water from getting in if the windows are down and all that jazz. So that is what I am working with. All right, let's go back here, get the rest of this set up, and then try out the music mode. Can you see me? No? Okay, that's not important. What is important is how this all works. I have these corner connectors. I will talk about these a little bit later, but this is what I've used to cleanly attach everything. I am just going to measure out how much I'll need. I don't really need to finish this off, but hey, why not? So right where you see the copper RGBW or whatever type of light strip you have purchased, that's where you will cut. Peel off the backing and then attach it into the corner connector. I have put the backing on my light strip. Something to be aware of with anything that's more than a 4-pin, meaning the RGBW, you're going to have 5 pins. So I have the 5 pins here with the 12-volt RGBW. Something to keep in mind with these connectors, you need to pay attention to the width of the light strip. These particular light strips are only 10 millimeters. So when you're looking for connectors, make sure that you find connectors that are also the same width. So these are 10 millimeter 5-pin connectors. Also, something to note is to not really be concerned about the matching up the letters with the ones on the light strip, because as long as it's connected the right way here and the right way on your connecting strip, you're good to go. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So leave a little bit of room on the tip for a connector if you are using any. So let's see, we're gonna go here. So you'll slide the copper connector in under the metal prongs of the connector. You're supposed to do this without the lights on, so follow the manufacturer's instructions. Do not do what I do. This is a good example. You might freak out at this point and think, oh no, it doesn't work, because you can't really match up the letters with the other strip. So what you do is you just flip your wire around, your LED strip around, and connect this end. So that is what I will do. And we should have light. All right. So there you'll see we are all lit up on this strip. So if you have that problem with your connectors, just flip it around. I'm going to close this. This is what I'm talking about as far as connecting the two strips together. You'll slide the copper end underneath the metal tabs. The way that you can tell that these are true white is half of this LED light is dedicated strictly to white here. Close the connector. There you have it. Now let's go try the music mode. I drive a Mazda CX-5 and I ordered 32 feet in total. One of these is 32 feet. I was able to cover the entire exterior of the headliner with one 16-foot roll. I bought another one because I bought two, because eventually I want to put another light in the center here as task lighting, if you will. I found the correct size connectors, 10 millimeter 5-pin specifically for my type of lights. On Amazon, they are by brand SUPERNIGHT. And I purchased a T connector and then also corner connectors. So the T connectors I've put right here for when I will put a light strip across the midway point. And there are markings on my headliner because I was thinking that I was leveling everything out, laser pinpoint lines, but that all kind of went out the window once you really get them up. These lights run off of a 110 outlet, and I have a 110 plug back here. You've got your IR sensor right here. This is also a controller to turn on and off the lights and go through the colors. And then you also have the remote. The remote is nice because it just has the colors up top that you would quickly want to go to: blue, red, or that was green, and then this is red. And then we can turn up the brightness think that's as bright as they're gonna go. Okay, so that's a brighter red. Ooh, nice. And white. Okay, let's get the music going, shall we? And just test out how it goes to the beat. There are different modes you can go through. Let's listen to some Christmas music, shall we? Oh, that's a good test. It also goes to your voice. And if you clap, okay, we get the point. So, yeah, let's go right now. That is so cool. Cool. Yeah. Cool. Okay. So, shall we leave it on while I do my outro? That should be exciting. Or is it making you sick? Anywho, I thank you so much for watching. This was just a quick and easy video. Let me know if you have found any other ways of putting up LED light strips on a headliner that was not super invasive, didn't really involve any kind of super glue or anything, but yeah. If you want to try all this stuff out, I will have the links in the description, and I will see you in my next video. The next one coming up will be my packing for a long road trip video, so stay tuned. Bye.